Ngweny en kimnatet kandoik chebo opposition yautiet nebo butetab korik chebo mungaret che kokisuldaen en kembout nekoekin raini en siret nebo Gikomba kit ne kamwa ichek kole noton ko kiptubotoi ak ng'atutik kole konereki kora ichek kandoinatet nebo President Dr. William Ruto. Kong'ololi en komosta nebo Wote en county nebo Makueni kosom kandoichoton serikali kotelel bunyondit netokyin membaek cheesio serikali ak kokushikong tetutik chebo komonut chebo emet kotugul. En kasaratan komwa Gachagua kole kandoinatet nemiten en nguni kotesentai sungulet nebo malik chebo boror, kit ne kamwa kole kikiboisien shilingishek bilionit agenge kityok ama bilion 104.
Human treatment of Kenyans by an uncaring administration of Kenya Kwanza needs unreservedly to be condemned. We stand with the people who are affected. We will insist on compensation and whatever.
This theft in SHA is a scheme by William Ruto and added one. Why is the money paid through the Digital Health Agency, whose executive chairman is Silas Imani? Is to conceal the movement of funds so that it looks like it's government to government. So what we are saying is that SHA was never conceived to be a program to help the people of Kenya. It was a conduit to steal funds from the people of Kenya.
All this points out to the need to reset this nation and set our feet back on the path of the rule of law and constitutionalism.